The Rig Veda is the oldest and most revered of the four Vedas, regarded as one of the most important texts in Hinduism. Composed in Sanskrit over 3,000 years ago, it is a collection of 1,028 hymns, or suktas, which are grouped into 10 books, called mandalas. These hymns serve as a spiritual and philosophical guide to the ancient Aryans, emphasizing the worship of various gods who represent natural and cosmic forces. Through its hymns, the Rig Veda explores themes of creation, the nature of the universe, morality, and the divine order, offering insight into the early Vedic worldview. The hymns of the Rig Veda primarily focus on invoking and praising a variety of deities who govern different aspects of life. The most prominent of these deities is Indra, the god of thunder and war, who is often depicted as the king of the gods, battling forces of chaos like the demon Vritra. Indra's victories symbolize the release of life-sustaining forces like rain and water. Another central deity in the Rig Veda is Agni, the god of fire, who acts as a mediator between humans and the divine. Agni is invoked in almost every ritual sacrifice, where fire plays a key role in offering materials to the gods. Varuna, the god of cosmic order, upholds the laws of the universe and is often associated with the maintenance of social and moral conduct. Soma, both a god and a plant, is central to the rituals where its juice is consumed for spiritual enlightenment. Additionally, Surya, the sun god, symbolizes light, wisdom, and vitality, offering divine protection and guidance. The Rig Veda also emphasizes the importance of ritual sacrifices as a means of connecting with the divine and maintaining cosmic harmony. These sacrifices, often conducted by priests known as Brahmins, involve offerings of materials like tea, soma, and milk, which are placed in fire as acts of devotion to the gods. The ritual process is meant to ensure the prosperity and well-being of the community, as it is believed that the gods can be appeased through such offerings. The hymns themselves are prayers and invocations, with specific mantras that must be recited correctly to ensure the ritual's success. Through these acts, the Rig Veda underscores the belief that human well-being is intimately connected to the divine and cosmic order. While much of the Rig Veda focuses on ritualistic worship, it also contains early philosophical reflections. One of the most significant ideas introduced in the Rig Veda is the concept of Rata, the cosmic order that governs both the physical world and human behavior. Rata represents the natural and moral law of the universe, and it is closely linked with the idea of dharma, which in later Hinduism refers to the moral and ethical duties of individuals. In the Nasdhya Sukta, hymn of creation, the Rig Veda contemplates the origin of the universe, suggesting that even the gods do not know the precise beginnings of creation. This hymn reflects early philosophical speculation about the mysteries of existence and the divine, setting the stage for later spiritual and metaphysical inquiries found in the Upanishads. The Rig Veda's influence extends far beyond its ritualistic and philosophical content. It forms the foundation of Vedic thought and is central to the development of Hinduism as both a religious and philosophical system. The hymns and their interpretations helped shape the practices, beliefs, and spiritual values of later Hinduism, including the understanding of concepts such as karma, the law of cause and effect, and moksha, liberation from the cycle of rebirth. The hymns were not only recited in religious ceremonies but also memorized and passed down orally through generations, ensuring their continued importance in the spiritual life of the Hindu community. Overall, the Rig Veda is not just a collection of hymns, it is a rich, multifaceted text that provides invaluable insight into the worldview of early Vedic society. Through its exploration of divine forces, cosmic order, ritual practice, and philosophical speculation, the Rig Veda offers a profound understanding of the human connection to the divine and the universe. It continues to be revered by millions around the world, shaping both religious rituals and philosophical thought in Hinduism and beyond.